Want to use Siri's voice in your TikTok videos on your iPhone? After doing this, you can convert text to speech and make Siri read your captions. In this video, I'll show you how to use Siri's voice in TikTok. So let's get started. First, open up the Settings app. Scroll down a bit. Tap Siri. Now tap Talk to Siri. Make sure that Hey Siri is selected here. After that, open up the TikTok app. Tap on the plus button from the bottom. Then tap Gallery. Select a video. Tap Next. Here you'll see the text icon AA. Write something like, "How are you?" Then tap Done from the top right corner. Now tap on the text. A pop-up will appear. Tap Text to Speech from this pop-up. Tap on it. And here it is. This is how you can use Siri's voice in your TikTok videos on your iPhone. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.